Good day, everyone, and welcome to Weekly Trading Ideas. My name is Nenad, and now we will see different possible setups on euro dollar, pound dollar, the Australian dollar, dollar yen, Bitcoin dollar, and gold. Before I start, have in mind that Forex trading carries a high level of risk that is not suitable for all investors. Please educate yourselves on the risks associated with Forex market before you start trading live. Everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. Please pause the screen and watch trading rules. We haven't changed anything. Basically, those rules are the same as they were for all these trading ideas. So pause the video and watch the trading rules. Also, we will start with the euro dollar. First of all, let me tell you that we made actually 50 pips on the euro dollar that we had last week. It was very good trade, and now euro dollar is still in ranging mode and has a bit of pullback. My idea is to sell it first around 1070 to 1080. Okay, so 1070 to 1080. And if the price makes a pullback, this would be the first potential position. So 1070 to 1080 position with a stop loss at 1011 15. So 1011 15. Okay, 1.1115. Sorry, and then the TP would be exactly 0985. So this is a potential idea on the euro dollar. Also, guys, pay attention to breakout of 0925 if it happens. Below 1.0925. So watch for that. If it happens, then it would be good for a nice sell. So the euro dollar is showing the signs of retracement. It's still in downtrend. However, because I am a GBP dollar, I have a long on GBP dollar. I guess that euro dollar will also pull back a little bit before the next drop. GBP dollar entry is my discretionary entry based on this signal here and historical sellers. It's not Camarilla MACD rule based, but it's my discretionary call. Exactly here at Wiz level 4, weekly L3 confluence, previous buyers exactly here. So 24, 34 to 44. So positional buy for me is 1.2434 to 44. Stop loss is 23.85, and the target could be regarding targets, it's a little bit tricky, but definitely I think that it has the potential for 55.80. But please watch, protect your profits if you are in. Alternative sell, I don't have any sell because I'm long here and I'm just making this and I'm already in a trade. This is I have already scaled in on 24.35, so you can see my trades are running. So I'm long on the GBP dollar. Okay, next one is instead of the Australian dollar, I will give you CAD yen trade. Okay, I'm also running CAD yen trade, and this is the setup that I will also be trading. Let me just quickly change the format. So CAD yen, I am already in a trade, and it's pretty much clear. CAD yen is actually giving me a long Camarilla MACD signal, and I'm long, guys, and the signal is here. I'm only making a positional buy trade. Okay, here we go. This is the signal. Of course, you can always check the results on myfxbook.com. I'm running on myfxbook.com and see how Camarilla MACD and my trading is performing. So CAD yen, clear entries here on Camarilla MACD, guys. A lot of now we have a rejection, but actually we had a full confirmation of the CAD yen trade. actually CAD yen rejected a little bit lower. Let me show you quickly here. And this was the signal for me. It was printed out, but now I changed I closed my platform and it didn't show because the trend wants to change, but this is it. I'm long from this spot. CAD yen, clear signal here, and I'm long on CAD yen. Okay. Dollar yen. Let me check the dollar yen. The dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen. CAD Swissie could go up, but I'm hesitant to go long. Dollar yen has an entry right now, but I already have few trades running and it's support. So there is a possibility, guys. If you want to join, you can do 107.27 to 37 is the dollar yen potential buy. But as I'm saying, I won't be trading because I have CAD yen and GBP dollar. I'm at my full risk for these trades. So if you want to trade, this is it. Stop loss is 107.00. Yep. Actually, I would say 106.95 and target is 108.19. 108.19. Okay, the Bitcoin dollar. Well, the Bitcoin dollar, a bit of cryptocurrency that moves a lot. I don't see any clear signal, guys. I was trying to see any possible setup on Bitcoin dollar, and I don't see anything here, so I will leave it blank. No Bitcoin dollar today. And the gold, of course, gold is going up, and I think it is long. So gold is long XAU USD. You can see it here. A lot of signals. Unfortunately, we don't see a pullback here, but 1505 is definitely a buy trade, buy opportunity. So 15.0, I would say 05, 15.00 is a stop loss, and the target here is it's going up, guys. It's nice uptrend. 1540. So this is it. This is it. Okay, guys. So quickly, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. This is euro dollar. This is the GBP dollar. This is the CAD yen. Always add a spread to stop loss. Never forget to add a spread. This is the dollar yen. Bitcoin dollar we don't trade today. And gold is clear. Question about Euro New Zealand. It's going down as a part of retracement. I would wait for 1.7385 to 1.7428 and watch for potential longs. Now it's in retracement mode. It's dropping, but it's normal because we have a lot of sellers here. Same spot there, but I think it can go long from this spot. So try to buy the dip, in my opinion. Also, GBP Australian dollar is going up. I would go long, possibly around, 83.15, 82.95, 96. This is the zone. It broke previous highs, so I think still price can go up towards 85, 86, and 85.59. Definitely GBP dollars. I'm long on the dip on GBP crosses at this point. So yeah, I mean, if you trade it, then obviously this is uptrend and still room till next resistance. You see, this is resistance here, so there is possibility that the price will continue further up. So this is it, guys. Okay, for more trading ideas and for more signals, join our ECS live channel on ellittcurrency.com, and you will receive up to 4 signals per day each day with full trade management, guys. Check my FX book results on, of course, myfxbook.com. And see you soon, guys. Cheers. Trade safe.